I'm going to show you how we clean our presses today. So basically all we do is we turn off the machine at the start, and then we're going to turn it off at the wall and unplug it. And then very carefully, obviously, because the press could be hot, wear some oven gloves or get an oven cloth, get some tissue, wipe away any excess flour or semolina off the top, remove any flour or debris from underneath. And with some hot soapy water and a well wrung out cloth so it's not full of water, give the plates a wipe. And anywhere else where it could be covered in dirt, give it a quick once over. Then, if the plates are very dirty, plug it in, and again with a well wrung out cloth, hot soapy water, place on the press plate like so, close the plate and leave to set. Steam will come from the sides and it'll give it a good deep clean on the plates. Leave that to cool, come back the day after once it's all cold, turn it back on again, reset the plates, turn back off, unplug, and the majority of the deep ground in dirt will be removed with an easy wipe. And once all this is done, we recommend using food safe oil, paper towel, give it a nice dose, wipe over, there you have it, nice clean press.